What you
What
doing
you
if this
want
man
from me?
thinks it's to you?
Saying you like Joe to say, take you all the place you wanna be. You can take a quote, just not from me. Yeah. Why you always stuck up on the divide? The only thing I'm trying to divide is your thighs when I slide. Yeah, she got that super soaker, slip and slide. Yeah, I know your legs hurt where you're running through my mind. Cause it's so crazy all the ways we intertwine. Just hoping that the love will never leave you blind. I can't do the shit you want me to, cause that's the way that I'ma live my life. Wasting my time like it's 365. I wanna be up, you would rather decline. I don't know